Hello garden lovers, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for elevating your outdoor spaces. Today, we embark on a journey to the heart of lushness and vibrancy as we delve into the captivating world of tropical garden design ideas. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment, or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. If you've ever yearned for a personal oasis brimming with exotic foliage and a sense of serene escape, then you've come to the right place. Let's unlock the secrets to creating your very own tropical paradise. To begin our exploration, let us first define the essence of tropical garden design. At its core, this design philosophy seeks to emulate the ambiance and aesthetic of natural tropical environments found in equatorial regions. Think of dense, layered vegetation, a rich tapestry of textures and colors, and an overall feeling of warmth, humidity, and abundant life. It's about creating a sensory experience that transports you to an exotic locale, characterized by bold foliage, vibrant blooms, and often the soothing sounds of water features. A well-executed tropical garden design isn't merely about planting. It's about crafting an immersive environment that evokes the spirit of the tropics. This often involves selecting plants with large, dramatic leaves, incorporating natural materials like bamboo and stone, and considering the interplay of light and shadow to enhance the lush atmosphere. Now, let's explore the compelling advantages of embracing a tropical garden design for your outdoor sanctuary. Beyond the obvious aesthetic appeal, a tropical garden offers a multitude of benefits. Firstly, it creates a tranquil and relaxing environment, a verdant escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The dense foliage provides a sense of privacy and seclusion, fostering a personal retreat where you can unwind and reconnect with nature. Secondly, tropical gardens are often visually dynamic and engaging throughout the year, with a continuous display of interesting textures, colors, and forms as different plants mature and bloom. Furthermore, these gardens can enhance biodiversity by attracting a variety of pollinators and beneficial insects, contributing to a healthier local ecosystem. The lush vegetation can also help to moderate temperature and improve air quality in the immediate vicinity. Finally, a well-designed tropical garden can significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal and, consequently, the property value of your home, creating a unique and desirable outdoor living space. How do I decorate my tropical garden design to look beautiful? Creating a visually stunning tropical garden involves thoughtful decoration and the strategic incorporation of various elements. Here are 10 ideas to elevate the beauty of your tropical oasis. 1. Layered planting. Mimic the natural structure of a tropical forest by planting in layers, from tall canopy trees, or if space allows, and large-leafed shrubs to smaller plants and ground covers. This creates depth and visual interest. Imagine towering palms underplanted with vibrant hibiscus and ferns cascading at ground level. 2. Bold foliage focus. Emphasize plants with large, dramatic leaves in varying shades of green, burgundy, and even variegated patterns. Think of banana plants, elephant ears like alocasia and colocasia, and bird of paradise. Their architectural forms add instant tropical flair. 3. Vibrant floral accents. Introduce pops of color with tropical flowering plants like orchids, bromeliads, gingers, and heliconias. These bursts of vibrant hues against the backdrop of lush greenery create focal points and attract pollinators. 4. Natural material pathways. Use materials like stepping stones, gravel, or wooden planks for pathways that meander through the garden. These natural elements complement the organic feel of a tropical design. Consider a winding path made of flagstones bordered by lush foliage. 5. Water features. Incorporate the soothing sounds and visual appeal of water with a pond, small waterfall, or even a decorative water bowl. Water is a key element in many tropical environments and adds a sense of tranquility and humidity. 6. Bamboo structures. Utilize bamboo for fencing, screens, or even small structures like trellises or pergolas. Bamboo's natural aesthetic and versatility make it a perfect fit for tropical garden design. 7. Outdoor furniture with natural fibers. Choose outdoor furniture made from materials like rattan, wicker, or teak. These natural fibers blend seamlessly with the tropical aesthetic and offer comfortable seating areas. 8. Ambient lighting. Install subtle outdoor lighting to highlight the textures and forms of your plants at night, extending the enjoyment of your tropical garden into the evening hours. Consider warm-toned spotlights directed at dramatic foliage. 9. Tropical themed. Decor. Introduce decorative elements like terracotta pots, carved wooden sculptures, or vibrant outdoor cushions with tropical prints. These small touches can enhance the overall theme. 10. Vertical gardening. Maximize space and add visual interest by incorporating vertical gardening elements like living walls or hanging baskets filled with trailing tropical plants like pothos or philodendron. Remember to maintain a balance and avoid clutter to preserve the natural and relaxed ambiance of a tropical garden. What the best plants for tropical garden design? Selecting the right plants is paramount to achieving an authentic and thriving tropical garden. Here are some of the best plant choices, categorized for your consideration. 1. Large foliage. Banana plants or Musa spp, elephant ears or alocasia, and colocasia spp, bird of paradise or Strelitzia reginae, traveler's palm or Ravenala madagascariensis, giant taro or Alocasia macrorhiza. These provide the structural backbone and signature look of a tropical garden. 2. Vibrant flowers. Hibiscus or Hibiscus rosa sinensis, bougainvillea or Bougainvillea spp, orchids or various genera like Phalaenopsis, Dendrobium, bromeliads or various genera, ginger plants or Alpinia, Hedychium, heliconias or Heliconia spp. These introduce stunning splashes of color and attract pollinators. 3. Palms and palm-like. Various palm species or, depending on your climate, consider Chamaedorea, Rapis, Areca, Cycads or Cycas spp, cordyline or cordyline fruticosa. These iconic plants instantly evoke a tropical feel. 4. Ferns and ground covers. Tree ferns or Dicksonia antarctica, Boston fern or Nephrolepis exaltata, various Selaginella species, mondo grass or Ophiopogon japonicus. These add lushness at lower levels and fill in spaces beautifully. 5. Climbing plants. Passion flower or Passiflora spp, Mandevilla or Mandevilla spp, climbing fig or Ficus pumila. These can be used to cover walls, fences, or pergolas, adding another layer of greenery. When selecting plants, always consider your local climate and soil conditions to ensure they will thrive. Research the specific needs of each plant regarding sunlight, water, and humidity. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating your own breathtaking tropical garden. We hope this exploration has inspired you to transform your outdoor space into a lush and vibrant paradise. Remember to visit Garden Decor Designs regularly for more expert tips and inspiring ideas to elevate your garden and home. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What aspects of tropical garden design resonate most with you? Do you have any questions or perhaps your own tips to share? Leave a comment down below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video and found it informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs so you don't miss out on our future gardening and design insights. Thank you for joining us, and happy gardening.